Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share or repost a reel on Instagram. Let's get started. First, go to the reel you want to share. The first option is to share it to your story. To do this, tap the airplane icon at the bottom right. Then tap Add to your story. Once it's there, you can add text, music, or adjust the size as you like. When you're ready, tap your story and it will be shared. The second option is to create a remix of the reel. Tap the three dots at the bottom right, then select Remix this reel. To upload it as a remix to your own profile, you need to make some changes. You can add text, emojis, music, or anything you prefer. When you're done, tap Next, add a caption, tag people if you want, and tap Share to post it as a reel on your profile. And that's it. Now you know how to share or repost a reel on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.